Today we're going to be sharing how to make this twine holder. First, I took one of these wooden circle plaques. This one is 4 inches, and I measured to the center of the inner circle. Then I found a drill bit that is the same thickness as the pipe that I'm going to use for the center, and I drilled through most of the way through the circle plaque. Then I just used a couple different grits of sandpaper to sand it down. Then I repeated all of those steps with my 3-inch wood circles. With this piece, you are going to be drilling all the way through though. Then I just used a dark walnut stain to stain both pieces of wood. For the center pipe, I actually used these lamp stems that I found on Amazon, and they came with these connector pieces, but they were hollow. So since I wanted the very top to be solid, I added some air dry clay to one end of the connector piece to make sure that it was flat. And then I just let that dry overnight. The lamp stem pieces that I got on Amazon were a little bit too yellow for me, so I just added a little bit of rub and buff to them to make them a little more deep gold, and I also painted over the air dry clay with that. Once the stain and the rub and buff were completely dry, I started putting together my twine holder. So I added a bit of hot glue into the hole at the base and a little bit of E6000 to the lamp stem. And then I put them together, wiped up any excess, and then let it dry completely. Then you can just add your twine, and then your wood circles should sit right on the lip at the top of the lamp stem, and then you should be able to screw on the connector to the top.